Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to disable notifications in a specific site in Chrome on your PC. If you're tired of receiving constant notifications from certain websites, this tutorial will help you regain control. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. Look for the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the browser window and click on it. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, find and select the Settings option. Step 4. Within the Settings page, scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. Step 5. Under the Privacy and Security section, locate and click on the Site Settings option. Step 6. Within Site Settings, find and click on Notifications. Step 7. Look for the Not Allowed to Send Notifications section and click on the Add button next to it. Step 8. Enter the URL of the website from which you want to disable notifications and click Add. By following these simple steps, you can easily disable notifications from a specific site in Chrome on your PC, giving you a more peaceful browsing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.